Hi, this is John Tisbury, and I'm going to talk to you today about my Crendon Cobra that I built. And we placed the order for this on the 12th of August 1997. Quite some time ago. Today, it's the 15th of April 2018, so it's over 20 years old. The kit arrived at the end of December in 1997. And from there, it took me a couple of 18 months or so to build the car completely. It's a very faithful replica of the original. In terms of the engine, I've got a brand new 351 Windsor. I've also bought a brand new Tremec 5-speed gearbox. That cost me back then £7,500 for those two items. I also had some Edelbrock items, so I had Edelbrock Performer heads put on, the aluminium heads, 1407 carb, so that's a 750 CFM carb, Torque 2 manifold intake, and that put it up to 400 horsepower. It's a 9:1 compression ratio. Tyres, it's 4. They're Dunlops on the rear, 255/55 16s and 225/50 16s on the front.